Hi folks, we received some very interesting news today out of our State Department. We issued a statement today indicating that we are suspending, when I say we, I mean the U.S. government is suspending visa issuance to folks in Russia who are seeking what we call non-immigrant visas. So these are the visas that you're familiar with, right? The student visa, the fiance visa, right? These are the temporary visas, the temporary stays in our country. And so this is huge because this is Russia that we're talking about. What we have seen happen is politics and immigration have come together and now created tremendous pressure on people who are planning on traveling to the U.S. to enroll in school, to go back to school. August is a big month for students, and now we have, because of diplomatic problems that we're having with Russia, President Putin just a few weeks ago have ordered that up to 755 diplomats, U.S. diplomats, leave Russia. And so as a result of the reduced staffing at these U.S. embassies in Russia, we've had to stop temporarily the issuance of visas. And here's another thing that's really important that's happened. We canceled all interviews that folks had scheduled for their visas. And so the State Department issued a Q&A, questions and answers. So these are frequently asked questions that they're anticipating, actually. So the first question that is asked here is, will my non-immigrant visa appointment be canceled? And the answer is yes, it's canceled. It has been canceled. And so what our government is saying is that they're going to reschedule your interview for you to be interviewed at the U.S. Embassy in Moscow instead of at Embassy in St. Petersburg or at another site where we had embassies or diplomatic presence. Second question, I am a university student studying in the United States. I need to get my visa now. Will there be an appointment available to me? The answer is we are planning to block off visa appointments to students in early September. So you'll have to wait until early September. Next question, how long will the suspension last? We will operate at reduced capacity for as long as our staffing levels are reduced. So basically what they're saying is that so long as they have reduced staff at their U.S. Embassy in Moscow, they could only do so much. And so we're going to see potentially a backlog. We're going to see certainly delays in people getting their visas to travel to the U.S. to work, to go to school, and to visit their loved ones. This is very important, and it's going to be felt immediately, really, by those in Russia. So, okay, last question that I'm going to cover, and then certainly I'll put a link in this post to these Q&As so that you can read all of the questions for yourself if you're interested in learning more. I've already paid my visa fee. Can I get my money back? And so obviously the answer is no. They will not issue you a refund. So again, this is important news because this is U.S.-Russia relations at its worst, and immigration is the place where things like this is felt, and it impacts people immediately. So hang in there if you're from Russia and you need to travel and work or study here in the U.S. You're going to face a delay. I don't know how significant it is, how long it's going to last, but you will definitely face a delay. As things develop, whether there are new guidelines or fact sheets or anything like that that comes out of the Department of State, I will be sure to keep you posted. Thanks very much for watching, and if you like this video, please like, comment, and share it. Thanks. Bye-bye.